Hello, everyone, and welcome to the spring semester 2022 for the course ECCE 1101, this Intro to Early Childhood Education. I am making this short video to give you some voice so you'll know that when we see each other on Saturday, some things that are very important. I will do a subsequent video about the syllabus, so we will spend our time in class on Saturday really focusing on the elements of Module 1 and Module 2, or Week 1 and Week 2 as it's designed in the course on Blackboard. So let me introduce myself again. My name is Samika Samuels, and this video is just to let you know for sure what you need to accomplish this week. All right, the first thing and probably the most important thing if you want to continue in the course is to complete the no-show assignment, which is located in the Start Here folder or Week 1 folder, and it should be in red when you see it. If you don't see it, please shoot me an email and I will either give you my number or, kind of walk you through it. The next one is complete the introduction post, which you should be there in Week 1 as well. Review the syllabus. The most important thing about the syllabus is so you are aware of the attendance policy. That seems to be the one thing that has that needs to be clarified, especially on Week 1, and the fact that this is a hybrid class or a class that only meets primarily on Saturday, which is the end of the instructional week. So we will review Week 1 at the end of Week 1, which is sometimes can put you at a disadvantage, but I'll do my very best to combine Week 1 and give you some preview information for the upcoming week and Week 2. And as the weeks progress, that transition will become easier. Also, number 4, uploaded completed CTC Acknowledgement Criminal History Records form, which is a form that you complete and you scan and you submit it in in Blackboard. And complete discussion board number 1, which is Early Childhood Education Professional Organization, which is due on Sunday. And you will have an opportunity on Saturday to complete the live classroom assignment. I generally have those. You can complete those in class. I give you a few times during the class so you can complete it and upload it. So it's very important that you attend class on Saturday. That's how you get your participation points. If there's a class... If the class is not virtual, there will not be a makeup opportunity for that assignment. I look forward to seeing each and every one of you on Saturday, June 11th at 8 a.m. in room 130B. That's in Building B on the Marietta campus. If you have any questions or concerns, please do not hesitate to email me. And I look forward to working with you. Thanks.